Letter A.
Letter A.
Letter A.
Letter A.
Letter A.
Apple. Apple. As in apple. Is the sound of A. As in apple. Is the sound of A.
Hello, children. This is Annie the apple.
I am a big apple. I am a round apple. I am a big round apple.
Is Annie round? Yes, Annie is round. Is Annie small? No, Annie is big. Apple. Apple. Big. Big. Round. Round.
Big, big apple, round, round apple. I need a big round apple. Big round apple, big round apple. I need a big round apple. We are at the farm. There are apple trees here. There are red apples and green apples. The farmer is collecting apples. 1, 2.
What will he do with the apple? Eat it? Make apple juice? Make apple pie? 1 apple, 2 apples. A green apple. A red apple. 1 apple. 2 apples. A green apple. A red apple. This is an apple. This is a big apple. This is a big round apple.
My name is Annie. I am an apple. What is your name? Are you a boy or a girl?
Letter A.
Apple. Apple. Apple.